Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I found another lithium play. You're going to laugh at all my lithium plays today. I've covered LLKKF, lithium play, WMLLF, another lithium play today. I just did one on Albemarle and another penny stock prior to that. That should be loaded by the time you watch this one. So this is where the money's going to be at. So you probably think I'm obsessed with lithium, but just trying to get the word out because the batteries are going to be in need of these lithium, and the EVs are going to be in need of the batteries. So it all goes hand in hand. But I was just researching another one and came across this one, and I was like, well, what's that? So I checked it out, and here it is, another lithium play. And it's a penny stock. So again, this is NIKLF, Nickel Rock Resources, at 17 cents. You can see what it's done here over the last month, just kind of like all the other ones, been kind of trading kind of down. So you can look at that as a buying opportunity. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but that's what it looks like to me. You can kind of see what it's done here over the last week. And kind of what it did today, just kind of traded down, kind of flat almost. But this is formerly Nevada Energy Metals, is a Canada-based exploration company. The company is focused on exploration for battery metals required for EV vehicle market. Right there you have it. Bingo. Battery metals required for electric vehicle market. There's your catalyst. It owns the project, which is a lithium brine prospect in Esmeralda County, Nevada. A total of 77 placer claims covering approximately 640 hectares, also staked over the western side of the Clayton Valley Playa. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. The Nickel Rock announces commencement of drilling for lithium clays at Clayton Valley, Nevada. This is just dated on the 18th. So is pleased to announce the reverse circulation drilling will commence by weeks, and the company's recently expanded claim block at Silver Peak, Clayton Valley, Esmeralda County, Nevada. The strategic land package, covering approximately 2,300 acres, directly adjoins a western portion of lithium producer Albemarle's, and I just did a video on Albemarle's evaporation ponds, and is nearly Cypress Development Corp. 5,430 acre Clayton Valley lithium clay project. The potential lithium bearing clay and brine deposits within lake sediments and ash beds were previously reported in rough drillers' logs of historic geothermal exploration wells on fire with the Nevada State Engineers Office. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself, but there's a lot of good information in here. And you can find this on prnewswire.com. But there's a lot of good information in there to cover. Recently announced on 1/7/21 that it will commence exploration for clay and evaluate technology that could accelerate the visibility of lithium production from clay resources in the region. It has been widely reported that Albemarle is planning to double its lithium production by 2025 in Nevada at the Silver Peak mine by committing between $30 million and $50 million in additional investment on the property. So like I said on my other lithium plays, these are an easy 5 to 10 year, if not 15 year hold. As you can see, it says right there is planning to double its lithium production by 2025. So I mean, you could hold them for 5 years or 7 or 10 and then sell, but it's up to you. But I'm in these for the long term, at least 5 year minimum, probably 10 more like it, if not 15, because the market in 10 to 15 years should be totally saturated with EVs. I think in my other video it said about 15% of the new car sales are EVs, and that's just going to increase every year. But a lot of good information in this particular article here. A little bit more about NIKLF is a base mineral exploration company with a highly focused effort on exploration for high-value battery metals required for the electric vehicle market. The company recently announced several acquisitions, resulting in a significant property package prospective for arorite, I'm not sure what that is, a naturally occurring nickel-iron alloy important in the manufacture of environmentally efficient batteries for electric vehicle markets globally. And this goes over the nickel projects. And feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. I pointed this article out in my other lithium videos. Lithium prices could race higher as demand outweighs supply. And you see some of the major ones in here. I just did a video on E3. Just did one on Albemarle. I have Lithium Americas Corp. And just did a video on Piedmont over the weekend. It looks like another pretty decent company. Back to Reddit. No information in there recently. When I was researching here in StockTwits on my last video, this is where I came up with this NIKLF and started looking into it, and it's a penny stock, so I thought may as well. But again, this one is over the counter. I don't know if we went over that. You cannot get this one on Robinhood, so I always recommend Fidelity. If you can't get it there, check TD Ameritrade or one of the other major brokerages. That's the only two major ones I'm affiliated with. So they acquired 3 land claims, all going to be explored this coming exploration season. We have much more news to be looking forward to. So a lot of these, the way I look at it, since they are a 5, 10, 15-year hold, this is the ground floor opportunity to get into these, because there's only a 10 to 15% of the people buying new cars are EVs, so I consider this a ground floor, but again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. You'd have to do these due diligence on your own, but go ahead and keep an eye on this one. Put it on your watch list. Let me know what you think about it. If you have any of this one, go ahead and put it in the comments, and if you want me to cover any other lithium plays, I'd be happy to look at those. But that's all that I have for NIKLF, and it's a penny stock, so worth a try. So again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.